Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll show you how to turn on the screen touch sounds. So when you first get the phone, the option is turned off. So at the moment it's silent. So each time I press a button, as you can see, there's no sound coming from the device. Okay, so if you prefer to hear a sound each time you press a button on the phone, then just go ahead and follow what I'm about to show to turn on the screen touch sounds. Okay, so just pull down the notifications and go into the settings, then scroll down to where it says sounds and vibration, and then scroll down to where it says more settings. And here you will see screen touch. Just go ahead and turn it on. And now, whenever you press any button, you will hear a sound. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. I just thought I'd share this with you all, just in case you was wondering on how to turn it on. This is how you turn it on, guys. Anyway, I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces. Remember to like and share, guys.